Hi viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm Dr. Kavita. Today the topic is when to measure serum lactate and in what conditions. Serum lactate is measured primarily to assess tissue oxygenation and metabolism, particularly to detect conditions of tissue hypoxia, anaerobic metabolism, or impaired lactate clearance. It is commonly measured in critically ill patients suspected of having sepsis, shock, trauma, or lactic acidosis. Elevated serum lactate indicates inadequate oxygen delivery to tissues or impaired oxygen utilization, often seen in severe infection, circulatory failure, or metabolic disturbances. The ideal times to measure serum lactate include when sepsis or septic shock is suspected. To assess the severity and guide resuscitation, we have to measure serum lactate. We also have to measure serum lactate in shock states, for example, cardiogenic shock, hypovolemic shock, or distributive shock, to evaluate perfusion adequacy. Also, measuring serum lactate is important after major trauma or burns to monitor tissue oxygenation and metabolic stress. Measuring serum lactate is also helpful to diagnose lactic acidosis in metabolic or mitochondrial diseases. It is also helpful during critical care monitoring to track patients' response to treatment. Measuring serum lactate occasionally in exercise physiology helps to evaluate muscle metabolism under exertion, though exercise should be avoided several hours before testing to prevent false elevations. Serum lactate is typically measured through blood draw from a vein or venous sample, or sometimes from an artery if simultaneous oxygenation assessment is needed. Patients should avoid strenuous exercise and sometimes fasting is recommended to improve accuracy. Normal serum lactate at rest is typically less than 2 millimolars per liter. Values above this suggest increased anaerobic metabolism or impaired clearance, warranting further evaluation and intervention depending on clinical context. In summary, serum lactate measurement is crucial in the diagnostic and management process for critically ill patients with conditions causing tissue hypoxia, shock, sepsis, trauma, or metabolic derangements, and is ideally performed when such clinical scenarios are suspected or being monitored for treatment response. Medical students do read about serum lactate and how it is monitored and when it is monitored, in what conditions it is monitored. Thank you. Please subscribe.